A beautiful day, as I mentioned earlier, and a big bus provides the backdrop today. This bus is a Beauty Coach, and it is designed to bring facial and skin treatments to you. Can't make it to the office? The bus will come to you. That's all there is to it. This is the mastermind and the brainchild of Dr. Anne Therese Stubbs with Dr. Anne Therese Aesthetic Medicine. She's actually on board the bus. She's invited us in, and you as well. So let's go on and visit and see what's behind the doors of this bus. Dr. Anne, I'm heading in. Hi.
How are you?
This is the only bus I've ever been on, Dr. Anne, that has chandeliers.
Well, you know what? We put them up after we park, but we wanted to make it look just like our office. We wanted it to be comfortable.
What's the idea behind this beauty bus?
This was conceived basically to go to corporations. The corporate environment is a very time-sensitive one where everybody is trying to look and feel their best and they want to take great care of their skin, but oftentimes the workday doesn't allow for this. And so we thought, well, just like the mammogram bus and some other outreach buses do for primary care, we can bring skin health care to the corporate campus. So we pull up on different corporate campuses and set up, hang our chandelier, get out our products.
I love this.
We deliver good health care and skin care just on the corporate campuses.
So give me a tour of the bus. We're sort of in the reception area.
We are. This is where the receptionist sits. We have a nice little makeup mirror over here, so when people get their short, low downtime procedures, they can get their makeup put right on and go right back into their meeting or back into work to anything they have to do. So the front room that I think we're going to be walking into
the front room right there
is the aesthetics room or esthetician room. We do medical facials in here. We also do acne treatments and something called the silk peel and some light chemical peels. These are all things that leave the face just a little bit pink, but you can put makeup right on and go right back into work without any downtime.
Now, people are going to wonder, can they get the same treatment on the bus that they could get coming to your office?
Very similar treatments. The shorter ones, the ones that are 15 to 30, 45 minutes, they can easily get here on the bus. And we did that on purpose just to kind of minimize the time they're away from work. They can come out on a lunch hour, on a break, and get their treatment done and be back into work in a short period of time.
I love that now. Come on, I'm going to talk to photographer Slick here. We're going to head to the back of the bus, Slick, as we walk through. And wait, you forgot to point out this too, Dr. Ann.
Oh, we have our coffee station, and so if somebody wants to relax, have a cup of coffee or tea or just some water, some mineral water while they're here, we have that as well.
You've made it so homey.
Relaxing break from work, exactly, as they take care of their skin. This is our injection room.
Now let's move in the back so we can make sure that there's enough room for the photographer to get all the information. Okay.
And this is where we do Botox. We do some facial fillers, so short injections. Botox takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Once again, just a few little red marks on the face afterwards. We powder them up, and they're right back into work.
And again, this is all safe. Just because you've moved it into a bus location, people don't have to worry about anything else.
That is exactly why we put together a mobile office. We wanted to ensure that we were giving safe, clean procedures. These rooms are just built the way our rooms were built at the office, with all the bacteriostatic floors, the same counters, the same everything we have at the office. We've just put it on wheels and brought it to corporate America.
What's been their reaction?
Actually, people are just so happy to see the bus pull up. It's kind of a happy vehicle. We've even talked about pairing it with some of the mammogram visits so that people will come out and do their healthy mammogram and then treat themselves to skincare treatment right afterwards. But we've had a warm reception at many corporations so far.
And actually schools. I thought that was very interesting that now, because you have the transportation of the bus, which, by the way, Dr. Ann is the driver today. You do it all. You do it all, lady.
I occasionally drive it. We usually have a driver, but today I drove it down to the Gail Hogan show. I said, I can do this. But we do go to schools, too. We do some outreach with this. Our goal, too, is to use it for some charitable functions, to do some education. As we talked about the last time I was here, skin cancer rates are on the rise, and we want to educate our young people, middle schools and high schoolers, about sun avoidance and protection from the sun. And also we talk to the middle schoolers about some of the acne issues, too. So we've done some school visits with it. It gets the kids kind of excited when a big bus pulls up. They pay maybe a little bit more attention to me then.
And you know what else is interesting is this bus was really designed and the inside built right here in Columbus, and I'm not sure people realize we have a company that does that.
This is a niche market, but we have Farber Specialty Vehicles right here in Columbus, Ohio, who built this bus for us. They do a lot of things nationwide for the VA. They do a lot of things for a lot of other medical outreach buses, and so they were a perfect company to build our medical skincare bus.
Well, it's absolutely gorgeous, and you're going to pull up at a possibly a business office near you. Dr. Anne, thank you. It's a pleasure to have the bus here, that you could give us a tour.
Thanks for coming.
You are on the cutting edge.
It's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun, and we've met a lot of fun people doing it as well, and corporate America seems to enjoy it as well.
All right, thank you, Dr. Anne. And now you'll know what it is when you see it driving down the highway and know who's behind the wheel. Yes, thank you.